Hello, I am Harsharan. In this class of English Grammar Lessons series of preposition, you will learn about with and by. Both are prepositions. By also acts as noun, adverb and adjective. To understand these words better, you have to see their uses. Use of with. With is used for placing together, doing something together, or you can say accompanied by. Examples: I am planning a picnic party with my friends. It is an example of doing something together. Second example: she likes burger with French fries. Here, burger and French fries are placed together. With is used to show what is on or in something, like mother filled the bowl with curry. Here curry is in the bowl. Another example: the street is littered with garbage. We use with to indicate relating to, like what's your relationship with the applicant? Second example: she is very careless with her precious jewelry. Here jewelry is related to her. While talking about comparison, with is used. Examples: compared with his brother, Jim is taller. There is nothing in common with the two sisters. To indicate agreement or supporting someone, we use with. Examples: I am with you in this decision. It indicates agreement. He stayed with me through thick and thin. It is an example of supporting someone. Here, through thick and thin means under all circumstances. With is also used to show feeling, attitude, or manner. Examples: the little boy is crying with pain. With pain is a feeling. She walked on the stage with full confidence. With full confidence shows an attitude. You have to handle this showpiece with care. With care is a manner. To indicate having, with is used. Examples: she is a beautiful girl with brown eyes. It means the beautiful girl has brown eyes. Second example: she is married with 2 children. It means she is married and has 2 children. To show using something like instrument, tool, or ingredient, with is added. Examples: she will sweep the floor with broom. He is cutting potatoes with a sharp knife. In these examples, broom and a sharp knife are tools. Third example: Ria marinated the cheese with hung curd. Here hung curd is an ingredient used in marination before grilling. It is actually curd which is put in a muslin cloth, tied and hung for some time to remove its water. Use of by. By is used to show being near. Examples: she is standing by her car. It means beside her car. Second example: Neeta lives by a shopping mall. Means near a shopping mall or beside a shopping mall. We use by to indicate the doer, which is in passive voice sentences, like the wheelchairs in the hospital are donated by a businessman. Here, doer is a businessman, which is written in the end of the sentence after by. Another example: this poem is written by Shakespeare. Here, Shakespeare is doer. By is also used to indicate an action, like he learned French by watching YouTube videos. Germs can be killed by sanitizing your hands. in these examples by watching and by sanitizing indicate actions. We add by to the sentence to describe the way to travel or to communicate or how the things are processed. Examples: she came by bus to see me. By bus is a way to travel. Second example: closing date for applications will be sent by email. By email is a way of communication. Third example: he sent money to his family by money order. By money order is the way things are processed. By is used to talk about time, quantity or amount of something. Examples: our maid always comes by 9 a.m. It means not later than 9 a.m. Second, she missed the train by few seconds. By few seconds is an amount of time. Third example: the prices of all items in this shop are reduced by 20%. It also indicates amount. By is used to give dimensions. Like, this bag is 20 inches by 10 inches. This is length and breadth of the bag. Second example: my room is 6 meters by 5 meters. By is put in the sentence to talk about profession. Like, my brother is a lawyer by profession. She is a beautician by trade. By trade also means the same. It is used for a job that requires special training and skills and is done by hands. Finally, by is used to indicate without help. In such sentences, by is followed by reflexive pronouns like myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, and themselves. Examples are: he picked the luggage by himself, which means he picked the luggage without help. Second example: they washed their cars by themselves. It also means the same, that they washed their cars without help. This is recap of the whole lesson. You can pause and quickly revise it. Here are some fixed prepositional phrases with their particular meanings. Phrases with. Armed with means equipped with. With delight means with pleasure. With difficulty, being hard to do. With respect to, referring to. Annoyed with, disturbed. Compatible with means able to exist together. Familiar with, know about something. Gifted with means talented. Phrases with by. Affected by means influenced. By the way, incidentally. By chance, without plan. By birth means since birth. By default, by neglect. Abide by, agree to. By no means certainly not. Live by means survive. Now, you must be familiar with the use of with and by. Next time, when you read an English book, stop wherever you find these words and try to find out how and why they are used there. I'll see you soon. Bye.